Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to clear Genshin Impact Cache on your iPhone. So first open Genshin Impact and check whether the game itself provides a repair, resource management or cache related option. And if you see a cleanup or repair option inside the game, then use that first. And if the problem continues, you can manage the app through your iPhone settings. For that, you need to open settings, then tap general and select iPhone storage. After that, find Genshin Impact in the list and open it. There you'll see how much storage the game is using. On iPhone, there isn't a universal Android style button that simply clears an app cache. Instead, you can use offload app if available, which removes the app while keeping its document and data. You can then reinstall it again from the App Store. So that was how to safely manage Genshin Impact's cache data. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.